Good morning, everyone. We are a team of 5 from Computer Science and Engineering, University of Manitoba, who has to learn programming concepts, programming languages, and algorithms very often. During those processes, we felt it's a bit of time consuming. It could have made a bit effective one than the traditional methods we felt. And also, during some surveys, we also find out it's not only our problem, it's almost everyone's problem, every developer's problem. And so this is the problem, the origin of the problem, and let's see why it's an important. So we all would have some perspective over the future world. So what would you think? Attending events through AR and VR than attending physically? IoT ruling everything, robots working in machinery. So the fact is, IT world would be there. Every problem would come up with the IT related solution. So in that future world, who are going to be the superheroes? The most awaited persons in the near future. You have any ideas? No one. It's someone related to us. It's developers. They are going to be the most valuable person in the future. They would be the superheroes. So, if they are the superheroes, how do they get their superpowers? By learning programming and something. The things they use regularly are YouTube video tutorials, Stack Overflow, GitHub. These can be categorized into mainly 2 categories, like video tutorial types or blog types. But there are some issues in using those. If you take videos, it has some clear explanation, but there are some issues. Firstly, when I am watching a video tutorial, I am seeing the needed content on the screen, but I cannot get that code. I have to type everything. I cannot just grab and put it in my code, so it's a time-consuming thing. And secondly, it cannot be scrolled down. What I am seeing is, I am in the middle of a video and I want to go to the next portion. In such case, I have to seek through the time bar and go to the related time. It takes more time. And what about I am going to shift to another file? It's more time consuming. So we could talk about consider the blocks, but in blocks, it's easily usable, but it's not clear enough. It is not appropriate for beginners or some people in the intermediate levels. And also, those who provide the superpowers, like the tutors who are creating the content, they are feeling the issues that those videos are getting outdated after release of new version. They cannot change the content, they cannot manage multiple versions. These are the issues the content creators have. So, who is there to help the superheroes? The most awaited people. It's our Codio. So what's Codio? Codio is a code learning platform where developers meet together and knowledge transfer their knowledge. And what's special about our product is the format. We all are aware about audio and video formats. What we are coming up with is Codio, the new format for that. So to talk about that, let's see the demo.
We are introducing a new platform called Codio. Here, you can play a session that is recorded entirely on a code editor. If you want to scroll the page or jump to a specific file, just click while you are playing the session. If you want the code on the screen, you can just copy the code and use it for your use. Here, you are not playing the video, instead you are playing the code itself. Both premium and free content will be displayed in the homepage. In order to access the premium content, one should subscribe the premium membership. He has to provide his mobile number to the system and then confirm his payments through mobile phone. We are using IdeaMart for subscription and SMS notification.
So, this is our platform we have created, and the main use cases would be, there will be 2 stakeholders. One, as a learner. As a learner, you can watch video tutorials where you can copy, you can scroll down, you can jump to the page, and you can run instantaneously. And as a tutor, you can create video tutorials, update the previously updated videos. And there will be additional features like refactoring, editing, downloading as a project, and collaborative editing. So, as a competitor, there are no one. This format is not found anywhere, and what we have been creating. And as to talk in a platform sense, like what could be our competitors, they will be our indirect ones. YouTube, GitHub, Coursera, Udemy, the platforms that you usually use. And to talk about the business plan, how we are going to generate revenues, we will be having monetization with advertisements as usual procedures, and we will be having paid contents, like we will be having some contents can be accessed only by premium users, so you have to go to the premium membership, so you have to pay something. And in the creation of this platform, we have used these technologies like React, Node.js, MongoDB, AWS, and the APIs IdeaMart subscription for premium membership, IdeaMart SMS to notify subscribed users, and 86 for interactive communication. Thank you. Let's make the code learning process easier.